Welcome to Pentazone tutorial. We start class 11 physics, chapter Physical World and Measurement, based on the CBSE pattern.
Introduction. Physics is the study of natural phenomena such as energy, matter, and their interactions. Physics is a fundamental science that underlies all natural sciences. The laws of physics help us understand and predict the behavior of physical systems. Measurement. Measurement is the process of comparing an unknown quantity with a standard quantity. The standard quantity is usually a unit of measurement. The result of a measurement is a number and a unit. The International System of Units, SI, is the standard system of measurement used in science. Types of measurement. There are two types of measurement. Fundamental measurements are basic measurements that cannot be defined in terms of other measurements. Examples include length, mass, and time. Derived measurements are combinations of fundamental measurements. Examples include speed, acceleration, and force. Units of measurement. Units of measurement are defined quantities used as a standard for measurement. SI units of measurement are based on 7 fundamental units: meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, mole, and candela. Units of measurement can be converted using conversion factors. Example, convert 2.5 meters to centimeters. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 2.5 meters multiply 100 centimeters by meter equals 250 centimeters.
Thanks for watching our channel. Subscribe our channel for update classes chapter-wise notes.